joined to you, because the reason is that this all, they are start presenting their screen. So when we are explaining to you, at that time only we can see our textbook in our phone. Understand? We could not be able to see that as someone has muted us, or if even we have muted ourselves. We don't know, and we were constantly speaking. So at that time, that is the
Yes,
reason.
ma'am.
So I have joined with the two IDs. That is the reason that I could be able
Okay,
to know
ma'am.
that who is disturbing me. So
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
start with our new lesson that yesterday we have completed the introduction. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I hope you can able to see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh, who will say what is the status of rule? Let's start with our lesson. Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution. Who was the character in this lesson?
Haley, Priyanshi, and
Who
Sachin.
were Yes, Hali, Priyanshi, and Sachin are the three characters in this. And what they were doing? What they were
They
doing?
were receiving TV cricket final match of World Cup 2011 with their
Yes,
parents.
very good. Yes. And what is the full form of ICC?
International Cricket Constitution.
No, International Cricket
Constitution.
Council.
Council. Oh.
Yes,
Council.
International Cricket Council will do what?
Ma'am, there are
Will
rules of cricket game.
So who will make these rules? Who will make this?
ICC.
Yes, ICC. So, like this way, even a country is also needed what?
Rules.
Yes, and that rule is known as a constitution. Yes or no?
Constitution.
Constitution. What is a simple definition of constitution? What is a
Ma'am, rules.
yes?
Rules.
Set of rules is known as a set of rule to run any country government in a systematic way. That is known as constitution. Constitution, it means a rule book. The rule book is made to run a government. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is meant by preamble? What is meant by preamble?
And the voice is not coming.
Preamble, it means what? Yesterday I have see the blue color is that preamble we have completed. But
Ma'am,
what
preamble
is
means
meant by-
introduction.
Yes, very good. Introduction, the first page of the book, where the frame has been, in that frame each and everything has been written. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब के
Yes, ma'am.
प्रियम्बल इट मीन्स दैट हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का जो पहला पेज है उसको प्रियम्बल कहने में आता है. व्हाट द प्रियम्बल? एंड द प्रियम्बल मीन्स इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट ऑफ एनी बुक. एनी बुक इट मीन्स के जो हमारी रूल बुक है उसका इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? प्रियम्बल. एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू आवर कंट्री. इट मीन्स के जो साइलेंट फीचर्स है
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not coming.
No. Coming, ma'am, coming.
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Yes. Now see that a preamble of our constitution. Start reading, Mohammed.
Okay, ma'am. A systematic compilation of set of rules to run the government of a country is known as the constitution of the country.
See, to run a systematic completion, मतलब के systematic sets of rule to run a government of a country. किसी भी country की government को run करने के लिए जो systematic rules बनाए हुए होते हैं, that is known as the constitution of the country. Now understand, when a systematic rules is made to run a government, to run the country, that is known as the constitution of country. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
सी कोई भी एक रूल बनाना ताकि गवर्नमेंट जो है वो सिस्टमैटिकली पूरी कंट्री को जो है वो मैनेज कर सके और वो गवर्नमेंट अच्छी तरह से अपना मैनेजमेंट कर सके, और दैट जो रूल्स बनाए जाते हैं दैट रूल इज नोन एज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
कंटिन्यू.
Constitution
ma'am.
can be in written or unwritten form.
See, can be written and constitution can see हमारे यहाँ बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर मतलब
Please, Mama, mute your mic.
डॉक्यूमेंटरी में होते हैं और भी जो है
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please explain again.
See, I am standing in open ground. The whole 9th standard lecture I have taken here, they were not having any problem. Right now it's coming or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, yes. See,
Yes, ma'am. Coming.
the constitution can be written or constitution can be in unwritten form. It means that our constitution book has been in a written form. Yes, वो book लिखी हुई है. So it is a written document. It means in a hard copy. Yes or no? You are knowing what is mean of hard copy.
Yes,
The thing
ma'am.
which is in a written form that we call a hard copy. Yes, or a soft copy means what?
Ma'am, in the mobile, like PDF, PPT.
Yes. Yes, in the phone, in the mobile, sorry, in the can say in the computer, the pages which we save, the documentary which we save, it's called a soft copy. So like this, the constitution, it is in a written or in an unwritten form. And our constitution of India is written by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. It means Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is popularly known as Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Our constitution starts with the preamble.
preamble. See, it means that कि हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जब स्टार्ट होता है बुक, मतलब एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बुक है, यस, तो जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की जो बुक है उसमें जो है स्टार्टिंग किससे होता है? प्रीएम्बल से. जैसे कैसी दैट तुम्हारी टेक्स्ट बुक है तो तुम्हारी टेक्स्ट बुक में आगे पता है फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज लिखी हुई होती है कि वी द
Yes, ma'am.
पीपल्स ऑफ इंडिया. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
these are moral duties to save, to protect this and this. So these are our moral duties, which that is called introductory page of that textbook. Yes, जो पहला पेज होता है
बोलो ना.
वो इंट्रोडक्टरी है. Yes or not? वो
Yes, ma'am.
जो पहला पेज है वो इंट्रोडक्टरी. इसी तरह से जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का पहला पेज कौन सा है? प्रीएम्बल है. अंडरस्टैंड? और वो
Yes,
प्रीएम्बल
ma'am.
में ये जो ब्लू कलर का ये जो ब्लू कलर की जो सब लिखा हुआ है ना, oh, please, your house voice is coming. Please mute your mic.
Razi, mute your mic.
Mute your mic. See that our constitution has start with a preamble that you can see that the written in a blue color. Yes, the blue color shape. That I have explained you yesterday. That is हमारा preamble इस तरह से start होता है. Understand? उसमें इस तरह से लिखा है, we the people of India having a solemnly resolved on constitution. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular and a democratic country. That we have learned yesterday. It means कि हमारा preamble का पहला पेज कौन सा है? ये वाला है. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now continue.
Okay, ma'am. How was the Constitution of India formed?
See, Abhi, how was the Constitution of India formed? The question is coming in your mind that the Constitution कैसे बना, किस तरह से बना, किसने बनाया, क्यों बनाया? Yes or no? Why?
Yes, ma'am.
When? What? Why it is needed? That type of question as a student coming in your mind. That
why it is made, what is the need to made it, why there is, you know that, and when it is made, but who made it? Like that type of question is coming. So let's revise that how the constitution has been formed. Continue.
The Constitution of India is the statement of national goals and aims such as democracy, socialism, secularism, national unity, etc.
See, the Constitution of India is the national goals. मतलब कि Constitution बनाने के पीछे goals और aims कौन से थे? Why? To leave the democracy. Democracy it means country को लोकशाही बनाने के लिए. We the peoples, we the Indian peoples, we only vote for our country and choose our government. Yes, that is called democracy. Socialism it means that here in India every citizens are same. There is no superior one and there is no a backward class in it. It means that every human beings are a same here. Every human beings have right to equality. It means यहाँ पे सब कैसे है? Equal है. There is a no discrimination there between a people. मतलब सामाजिक तरीके से किसी के भी साथ भेदभाव नहीं है. Discrimination का मतलब होता है भेदभाव. Understand?
Yes,
Continue.
ma'am. The Constitution.
Now secularism. Once again ये words को फिर से explain कर रही हूँ कि आगे जाके तुम्हें problem ना हो. Secularism it means a free from religious matter. India एक ऐसा country है कि जहाँ पे more than 5 to 6 religions are living together और वो religious में भी सब caste अलग होती है. Yes or no? और वो
Yes,
सब
ma'am.
caste और सबकी चीज जैसे कि इस्लाम है, Islamism. But in Islam, a religion, there are many subcastes. They all are having the different worshipping of style. Yes or no? With having
Yes,
the
ma'am.
different the different
Yes, ma'am.
faith on their Lord. You know that Lord पे अलग अलग जिसका faith किसी मतलब इसी तरह से इंडिया में एक साथ जो है यहाँ पे religious matter नहीं करता है. Here people यहाँ पे ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि every people is going to follow the one religion. No, India is free in the form of a religion. Here you can have a belief, you are having a faith in your own religion. Now national unity, see we the people is having a diversity, then also we are united. India, when you are going to 10th standard at that time one topic is going to come, unity in diversity. मतलब भले हम अलग अलग है, मतलब अलग अलग रिलीजियस के हैं, अलग अलग गॉड में बिलीव करते हैं, फिर भी हम यूनाइटेड है. Yes or no? This many religions are living together in India. So the main goal is to achieve that a democracy, socialism, secularism and national unity. For that reason जो है what क्या बनाने में आया? Constitutions को बनाने में आया. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
The Constitution Assembly was established.
Continue.
Ma'am, the full stop has came, so I stopped.
What?
Ma'am, full stop came, so I stopped.
Okay, the Constitution Assembly was established. Established मतलब स्थापित हुई, पर कब स्थापित हुई? मतलब वर्क कब से स्टार्ट हुआ? Continue.
It started working from 9th December 1946.
See, it started working. It means that the establishment of the Constitution Assembly, it means that the working started from year 1946. And India got freedom in which year? India
1947.
1947.
got
15 August.
1940, yes, 15 August. Constitution का कौन सी ईयर से स्टार्ट हो गया था? Constitution का वर्क कौन सी ईयर से स्टार्ट हो गया था?
9th December 1946.
It means before how many months ago than independence?
Ma'am, 9 months.
9 months.
8 months.
Yes, yes, almost 8 to 9 months before जो है, because Britishers were ready to leave. So our leaders and our scholars have start working to write our constitutions of India, and the establishment and the work started in year 9th December 1946 से constitution का जो है assembly session has been started. Continue.
The Constitution Assembly was formed of prominent and distinguished scholars and leaders.
See, the Constitution Assembly has been formed of prominent. Prominent, it means a famous. Famous and distinguishing, it means the unique one who is different from others. The scholars and the leaders have made our constitution. They were totally different from others. They were very highly educated. They are having a knowledge of our country. They are also freedom fighters for our country. So that people have, that started a discussion related to the constitution. Continue. See, अगर अभी किसी भी चीज के रूल्स रेगुलेशन लिखना है तो but obvious there will be a person who is having a experience. He can only write the rules and regulation. Yes, he have faced the everything, so that's why he could be able to put that thing in a rule. Yes or no? अभी कोई छोटे बच्चे को
Yes,
बोलो
ma'am.
कि बेटा तुम्हें एक रूल ऐड करना है तो he could be able to add the rule. No. Why? Because not having experience, have not faces that situation. So that's why the one who is having experience, the one who is a leader of a country, the one who is a scholar of a country, that could be able to write a constitution. So at that time also, ऐसे ही लोगों को constitution assembly में रखा गया था. Understand?
Yes,
Continue.
ma'am. Their political vision and foresight was incorporated in the Constitution.
सी उनका फोरसाइट मतलब कि उनका जो नजरिया मतलब कि जो उन्होंने सब फेस किया होता है, जैसे मैंने तुम्हें अभी समझाया, द वन हु हैव फेस्ड एवरीथिंग देयर एंड देयर साइड ऑफ व्यू दैट कि यहाँ पे भाई ये सिचुएशन है तो ये रूल्स रखना जरूरी है, एंड दैट पॉलिटिशियन विजन मतलब कि वो जो पॉलिटिकल करियर को कितना आगे लेके जाएंगे वैसे ही लीडर्स को इसमें सिलेक्ट किया गया था. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ द लीडर्स लाइक
Leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, Sardar Baldev Singh, etc. provided their guidance.
Their guidance. It means that the leaders like to at the time when the constitution has been written, the establishment हुआ, working start हुआ, तो which leaders were selected to write the constitution? So leaders like Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam, Shyamji Prasad Mukherjee, and Sardar Baldev Singh etc. have provided their own guidance. मतलब सबका सजेशन अलग अलग होता है ना. अगर एक मीटिंग में एक कमिटी मेंबर्स में देयर आर द 15 members are sitting. There are the 15 members are sitting in the assembly. Then वो 15 के अलग अलग सजेशन होंगे. अब वो सब सजेशंस को when we brought together and we will make something at that time that the constitution will be written in a too good manner. So you know that each and every the leaders have given their own guidance to write the constitution. Continue.
Okay, ma'am. Frank Angel represented the Anglo-India Committee and H.P. Modi represented the Parsi community.
See, the Frank Anthony represented Anglo-Indian Anglo. Who is that? Tamato વરસાદમાં ના આવ્યા.
See, Frank Anthony.
Ma'am, Nurani Ali Raza.
Frank Anthony was a person represents Anglo-Indian community. Anglo-Indian, it means that the one is having a nationality like a Britishers and Indian both together. मतलब पता है कि पेरेंट्स यहाँ के हो या मदर इंडियन हो और फादर जो है वो क्या हो, ब्रिटिशर्स हो, या तो ब्रिटिश की भी नेशनलिटी है और फिर इंडिया के भी. ही इज फ्रॉम इंडिया बट हैविंग द नेशनलिटी ऑफ ब्रिटिश. दिस टाइप ऑफ पीपल इज नोन एज एंग्लो-इंडियन पीपल. अंडरस्टैंड? सो एंड द H.P. Modi is the person represented a Parsi community. मतलब उन्होंने the one, ये जो person जो representative जो meeting में बैठे थे, he is a Parsi. He was belonging to a Parsi community. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Okay, ma'am. The committee had various constitution scholars like Aladdin Krishna Swami Iyer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, etc.
नाउ द स्कॉलर, ये तो चलो लीडर्स की बात हो गई, जो ऊपर है वो सबके सब लीडर्स थे हमारी कंट्री के. दे आर हैविंग अ लॉट्स ऑफ नॉलेज रिलेटेड टू our country at the time what the Britishers has been done with us. So they are the freedom fighters also. But now the scholars, it means the youngsters, those who are having a good knowledge on education, they were highly educated persons. So they are called a scholar students, like the scholars like Aladi Krishna Swami Iyer and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and K.M. Munshi, etc. where the scholars were also included as a member in that meeting. Which कौन सी मीटिंग में इनको मेंबर बिठाया गया? मीटिंग कौन सी मीटिंग?
मैम फ्रीडम की मीटिंग.
नो, क्या लिखने की मीटिंग?
इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रूल की मीटिंग.
Yes, the constitution rules की meeting, जब constitution, and in which year the work have started to write the constitution?
What, ma'am?
In which year the work has started to write the constitution?
9th December 1946.
Yes, 9 December
1946.
1940. Yes, very good. Okay, continue.
There were female members like Sarojini Naidu and Vijay Lakshmi Pandit.
Even know that, see that. In all the committee members, what is meant by committee member?
Ma'am, the main leader of that country.
No. Committee members, it means the person, those who are sitting in the assembly. Yes, number of a person. So see, वो जो constitution assemblies है, उसमें committee members जो है वो कौन से तो के leaders आए. Leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, etc. And the scholars भी आए, वो committee members scholars भी बने. The scholars like Munshi, K. Munshi, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, that are the scholars have been added in that committee, in that assembly also. But even the all males, even the 2 females were also as being an committee member of that meeting. Understand? Meeting की जो members में 2 ladies भी included with the females. Who are the 2 females?
Sarojini Naidu and Vijay Lakshmi Pandit.
Vijay Lakshmi
पंडित. तो इट मीन्स ये दोनों फीमेल्स में कुछ नॉलेज होगा तो ही उनको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लिखने के लिए बिठाया होगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president of the Constituent Assembly.
See, a constitution assembly. जब constitution assembly में you know that leaders, scholars, even 2 female ladies, they were, you know that अभी ये सब members जो है वो मिल गए committee members. अब assembly start हुई तो assembly में सबसे जो है president किसको बनाया गया? Assembly का constitution assembly का president who became a president of
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Yes, continue.
There were a number of subcommittees to take care of various aspects of the constitution.
See, there were the अभी committee जो members बन गए, you know that फिर वो committees में भी क्या कर दिया गया, you know that we make a department.
Subcommittees.
हाँ, subcommittees मतलब department. For example, see that in our school, तो जो है पूरी मैथी स्कूल है, yes, अब इसमें 1 to 12 या फिर कॉलेज लेवल तक का जो है इवन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन तक का स्टडीज होता है, मतलब M.Com, yes or no? तो each and every है पूरी की पूरी मैथी इंस्टीट्यूट ही, yes, बट मैथी इंस्टीट्यूट में सब कमिटीज है, मतलब सब डिपार्टमेंट है, 1 to 4 का डिपार्टमेंट, 1 to 4 का डिपार्टमेंट अलग, 6 to 9 का डिपार्टमेंट अलग,
मैम नर्सरी एलकेजी का अलग है.
हाँ, yes, अलग. So it means
गुजराती मीडियम
that
का.
yes, but see that the whole department, the sub department is there, but they all is working for the progress of Madhi school students, yes, and yes or no? That all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
department is working for a Madhi school students
Yes,
and
ma'am.
for the Madhi school upgradation. तो मेन मोटो क्या है कि भाई मैदी स्कूल का गोल क्या है, तो कि मैदी स्कूल को आगे लाना और मैदी स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स को आगे लाना.
ये मेन गोल है। अभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का मतलब क्या था? तो कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का मेन गोल ये था कि लोगों को डेमोक्रेसी, सोशलिज्म, सेक्युलरिज्म मिले। अब ये मेन था, इसके लिए रूल्स बनाने जरूरी था। असेंबली हो गई, मेंबर्स मिल गए, अब वो मेंबर्स को डिवाइड कर दिया गया। आया समझ में? सब डिवाइडेड में, सब डिपार्टमेंट में मेंबर्स को डिवाइड कर दिया गया।
Yes,
इनको
ma'am.
ये वर्क सौंप दिया गया है, पर्टिकुलर एक डिपार्टमेंट को, दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट को दूसरा, ताकि जो है सब अलग अलग तरीके से प्रोग्रेस करे। जैसे कि हमारे स्कूल में कैसे सब डिपार्टमेंट है, इसी तरह से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली को भी सब डिवाइडेड, सब डिपार्टमेंट में इंक्लूड कर दिया गया, ताकि सब जो है उसी पर काम करे। अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
कंटिन्यू।
Yes, ma'am.
There, the drafting committee, which was headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, gave to the constitution its final shape.
सी द ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी मतलब लिखना, डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर के हाथ में था। हैव गिवन अ फाइनल शेप, मतलब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फाइनल टच जिसको बोलते हैं कि अब रेडी हो गया और इसको लिखने का है, वो काम किसके हाथ में था? हु वाज द चेयरमैन ऑफ
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a chairperson of a drafting committee, and you know that as per general knowledge, I am saying to you that डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर को वो पूरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बुक जो है वो पूरी बाय हार्ट थी। यू नो दैट एक एक पॉइंट उनको याद था ड्यूरिंग। ये तो एक बात है कि जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारा टोटली फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स रेडी हो गए, आया समझ में? ये सब
Yes, ma'am.
डिपार्टमेंट ने अपने अपने डॉक्यूमेंटरी दे दी। अब एट दैट टाइम यू नो दैट एट दैट टाइम द प्रिंटर्स वाज नॉट देयर, द कंप्यूटर वाज नॉट देयर। एट दैट टाइम the typing work is doing with the help of typer। तो टाइपर से जो है टाइपिंग करते थे। आया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
टाइपर से टाइपिंग होता था। तो उसमें से सम ऑफ द पेजेस जो है वो लॉस्ट हो गए। अब वो जब सम ऑफ द पेजेस लॉस्ट हो गए, तो अभी तुम सोचो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बुक कितनी बड़ी होती है, उसमें रूल्स, उसके अंदर सब रूल्स। So you know that the committee members have been in a have been in a curiosity। अरे कि अब क्या होगा यार कि इतने सारे पेजेस जो है वो गुम गए हैं, what will happen? अभी कैसे याद आएगा कि कौन से पेज में हमने क्या लिखा था? So at that time, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who was the chairperson of a drafting committee, has said to committee members that there is no need to worry। मुझे पूरा constitution मुंह पे याद है, एक एक लाइन। To understand?
Yes, ma'am.
It means that ये तो
Yes,
सिर्फ
ma'am.
नॉलेज के लिए बात थी, और ये बात बिल्कुल you know that it is 100%। This is a right that before when we are studying at that time ये टॉपिक आता था कि डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर को अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पूरा जो है वो लर्न था। अंडरस्टैंड? एंड यू नो दैट a birthplace of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is belonging, he was from Bhavnagar। Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Total 166 meetings were held by the Constitution Assembly in a time period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days.
सी मतलब टोटल कितनी मीटिंग्स बिठाई गई थी?
166.
166 सेशंस मतलब मीटिंग, 166 मीटिंग जो है वो बिठाए। इट मींस कितने कितने साल लगे थे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में? 2 years,
2 years, 11 months and 18 days.
18 days। Yes, and on 26th November 1949 the committee passed the constitution। और 29 को मतलब कमिटी ने जिसको बोलते हैं ना लिखना, टोटली इट इज कंप्लीटेड ऑन 26 November 1949। पर which was enforced मतलब हमने उस पर अमल करना। We started to execute। जब उसका एग्जीक्यूशन मतलब कि लोगों ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो करना तो कौन से ईयर से स्टार्ट किया?
26 November 1949.
29.
Yes, we have started to work on the Constitution Assembly। It means we have started to enforce the Constitution। It means we have started to you know that to follow that rules in our country from year 26th January 1950। You know that, so that's why on 26th January we are celebrating Republic Day। अब समझ में आया हम रिपब्लिक डे क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं रिपब्लिक डे? Who will say?
Ma'am, because the 26th January Republic Day, the work was we had started to follow the
Yes.
rules.
Yes.
On it. Working
Yes,
on
we
it.
have we have started to follow that rules and regulation which is written by our leaders and our scholars. एंड हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है वो रेडी हो गया था और हमारे कंट्री के मेंबर्स जो है वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो करना वो भी हमने 26 जनवरी 1950 से वी हैव स्टार्टेड टू एनफोर्स द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन इंडिया. So it is so that's why on every 26th January we are celebrating a Republic Day. At that time we have
Republic
started
Day.
to follow our rules and regulations made by our scholars and leaders. So first day, the first 26th January 1950 was the first day and we started to follow our constitution. Now see that. Read it, Mohammed.
Yes, मैम अभी ऊपर का बाकी है.
Continue.
On 26 November 1949, the committee passed the constitution which was enforced on 26 January 1950.
Okay, now see that these all people, you can see that Maulana Azad, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sarojini Naidu and Kanhaiya Lal Munshi. These all people were known as what?
Freedom fighters,
वहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Freedom
Freedom
fighters तो है ही.
creators of the constitution.
Creator of the
Yes.
Constitution.
Creators of the creators of the constitution means what?
They are decided the rules of the India.
They have decided the rules.
Made our constitution.
Yes, the person, this all person have made our constitution. So these people are known as the creators of constitution.
Constitution. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, read.
Yes, अभी इतना समझ में आया. Next time
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पर अभी पहले रिवीजन करते हैं. आया समझ में?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
What is mean by constitution?
Ma'am, the rules of that country.
A systematic competitive set of rules.
Systematic
To run a government.
Yes, systematic set of rules to run a government of a country is known as constitution.
Constitution.
Once again, I am revising. Once again, I am repeating. You just revise it. That a systematic collection of sets of rules to run the government is known as constitution. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, constitution can be dash or dash.
Written or unwritten.
Yes.
Written, unwritten.
What is mean? Our constitution start with dash.
Preamble.
Preamble means yes. Preamble means what?
The introduction of the whole
Introduction
book
part.
that is given in the first page of the book.
Very good.
Of constitution.
Yes, our constitution is start with a preamble, and preamble is known as the introductory page of the book. Yes. Why? What are the reason? What are the aims to make a constitution?
Democracy, socialism, national unity, etc.
etc.
Okay. The establishment and the work started in which year of a constitution?
9 December 1946.
9 December 1946.
Yes. Which leaders were included as leaders of the Constitution Assembly has been counted as a committee member. Who was that leader?
Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Azad, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, Sardar Balwant Singh,
etc.
Okay.
Sarojini Naidu.
Yes. Who was the person? Who was the person in the committee who represent Anglo-Indian community?
HP Modi.
H.P. Modi.
He represents the Parsi community. I am asking about the Anglo-Indian.
Frank Anthony.
Frank Anthony.
Anthony.
Frank Anthony. What is mean by Anglo? What is mean by Anglo-Indian? The person has the relating to both British and Indian. Understand? The
Okay,
person
ma'am.
relating to both
Okay,
British
ma'am.
and India, that is known as Anglo-Indian. Having the, you know that Anglo-Indian, it means having the relating to both the countries, that is Britishers or Indian. That is known
Indian.
as Anglo.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, which scholars were included in the as a committee
Aladdin
member
Krishna
of the
Swamy
Aladdin
Iyer,
Krishna
Dr.
Swamy,
B.R.
Dr.
Ambedkar,
Aladdin
K.M.
Krishna,
Munshi,
Munshi, etc.
Dr.
Okay, which two female members were included
Sarojini
in
Sarojini
the
Naidu,
Naidu
and
and Vijay
Vijay
Lakshmi
Lakshmi Pandit.
Pandit.
Okay, very good. Now,
The constitution has constitution. How many meetings were held for the constitution?
166 in the period was 2
166,
years, 11 months, and 18
2 years,
days.
11 months,
To,
and 18
to,
days.
yes, it was the committee have passed the constitution. It is overall the work is
26
completed on
January
1926,
1950,
1949,
1949 पे
49,
वर्क
1949.
1949 पे तो
50,
वर्क कंप्लीट हुआ था and
50,
after we have started to follow the constitution from which year
1950 to 26 January.
26 January
26
1950.
January 1950 we have
1050.
started to follow the rules of
Follow the
our
rules of our
who are known as the creators of constitution.
Maulana Azad,
Maulana
Dr.
Maulana
B.R.
Azad,
Ambedkar,
Dr.
Dr.
Bhimrao
Abhinandan
Ambedkar, Dr.
Basapati,
Rajendra
Naidu, and
Prasad,
K.M.
Dr.
Munshi.
Nadu Kanya Mukhi.
Okay.
Munshi ji.
so now I hope you are not having any doubt सबको समझ में
No,
आता है
ma'am,
ना
no doubts,
No, ma'am, no doubt.
no doubts, no doubts, no doubts.
समझ
No
समझ में
doubt.
आता है
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, बहुत
ma'am.
मजा आता है.
Yes,
7
ma'am.
से तो ज्यादा 8 में मजा आ रहा है.
मजा आ रहा है
हाँ मैम,
Yes,
हमें तो
ma'am.
लगता था कि सोशल ज्यादा हार्ड हो जाएगा तो बहुत इजी आ गया.
अच्छा ऐसा है ओहो
Yes, ma'am.
मजा आता है Okay. So I'll give you the homework today, and that homework you are going to complete. You know that right now only after completing my this work, I'll send you homework in a group that you are going to complete. Understand?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you are having any questions, then you can ask me. Still, we are having a 4 minutes.
Yeah, ma'am, 4 not 5 minutes.
Yeah, it in
Yes, miss.
in
No,
my
ma'am, 4 minutes.
Yes, miss.
Ma'am, 4 minutes.
Yeah, in
4.5
my phone,
minutes.
it's 10.
In my
10
phone,
minutes.
5 minutes left.
In my
Okay.
phone,
My
4
phone,
minutes
4
left.
minutes left.
Now listen, I want to ask you some general knowledge questions. That
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
before in year 2019, in year 2019 December to January, which country
Yes,
has
miss.
faced a forest fire, and because of that, how many animals have got that because of that forest fire?
Ma'am, America,
No, no.
No, ma'am.
Russia,
No.
China,
Australia.
India.
So,
Australia.
India.
Yes, Australia. Australia is a place you know that where the people because of that Australia the वहाँ पे forest fire हुआ था ना
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
number
miss.
of
Yes,
animals
miss.
number of animals
knew that.
क्या हो गई थी death हो गई थी understand number of animals
Yes,
was
yes,
you know
ma'am.
that almost 25 million animals की death हो गई थी and you know that
Wow.
25
Wow.
जो आग
Oh,
ऑलमोस्ट
miss.
2 months तक फॉरेस्ट फायर जिसको फॉरेस्ट फायर बोलते हैं मतलब फॉरेस्ट में 2 months तक वो आग जो है वो जिसको बोलते हैं ना वो बंद ही नहीं हुई थी they were
Yeah.
trying their best and because of that 25 million animals की death हो गई and you know that Australia is now known as the land of kangaroo it means see कोई भी कंट्री
Yes,
में
ma'am.
जब
Ma'am, only kangaroos are in Australia.
यस यू नो दैट कि किसी भी कंट्री में जब किसी भी कंट्री का जो नेशनल एनिमल जब बनाया जाता है ना तो वो नेशनल एनिमल इसलिए बनाया जाता है बिकॉज द रीजन इज दैट कि वहाँ पे वो एनिमल सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं अंडरस्टैंड वहाँ पे वो
Yes, ma'am.
एनिमल
Yes,
सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं सो दैट्स व्हाई जो है वो वहाँ पे नेशनल एनिमल्स जो है वो बनाया जाता है बट द थिंग इज दैट कि इंडिया में
जो है जैसे कि टाइगर सबसे ज्यादा थे, तो दैट्स व्हाई टाइगर इज अवर नेशनल एनिमल। इसी तरह से ऑस्ट्रेलिया
Yes,
में
miss.
कंगारूज जो है वो ज्यादा थे,
Kangaroo.
so that's why kangaroo is a national animal of Australia. But during this forest fire, you know that many animals have got an death because of this forest fire. वो सबसे बड़ा forest fire था कि जो at least 2 to you know that तुम एक बार सच में YouTube पर वो वीडियो देखना, you will feel a very compensation, मतलब दया आ जाएगी तुम्हें वो forest fires देख के। It is true, you know that the young animals, जो young babies होते हैं, yes, they can't
Yes,
protect
ma'am.
themselves, they can't protect themselves from that forest fire.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so today, whenever you are free at that time, just see a one video that Australia's forest fire, yes, and you will see that.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
હર્ષ પેલા જવાબ તો દે પછી જોજે
પેલા
છેલ્લે.
જવાબ તો દે છેલ્લે જોજે
તો પછી
શું હતું યાર
મેમ
શું
ask
હશે?
another question.
Yes, okay. I am just, you know that writing that.
Thinking.
Yes. Right now, before this lockdown, when this lockdown is going on, yes, which
Yes, ma'am.
country has faced a plane crash?
What, ma'am?
Plane crash. Abhi during this lockdown, you know that during this lockdown and the flight has been started. तो कौन सी कंट्री में जो है वो फ्लाइट
मैम
क्रैश?
इंडिया सूरत में हुआ.
प्लेन क्रैश बेटा, आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट प्लेन क्रैश कहाँ पे हुआ था ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन? आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट कंट्री, अदर कंट्री. यस, वेरी गुड. हैदर अली मर्चेंट ने जवाब दिया. किसने जवाब दिया?
मिस इन पाकिस्तान.
यस, इन पाकिस्तान. कराची का जो प्लेन जो है वो क्रैश हो चुका था, उसमें जितने भी मेंबर्स पैसेंजर्स थे दे गॉट ऑन डेथ. अंडरस्टैंड? इवन वो जो प्लेन जो है वो क्रैश होके वापस रेसिडेंशियल एरिया में जो है वो ब्लास्ट हुआ, की वजह से रेसिडेंशियल एरियाज को भी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हुई. अंडरस्टैंड?
यस मैम.
यस बेटा.
मिस वो है ना एक बिल्डिंग के बाजू में गिरा था तो बिल्डिंग भी गिर गई थी बाद में.
यस बिकॉज वो
हाँ जोरदार पड़ी गई थी.
यस, रेसिडेंशियल एरियाज में दैट यू नो दैट वो रेसिडेंशियल एरिया में वो प्लेन जो है वो क्रैश होके गिरा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इवन द रेसिडेंशियल एरियाज हैव इवन फेस अ डिस्ट्रक्शन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्लेन क्रैश. अंडरस्टैंड? So
Yes,
know
ma'am.
that as a